welcome back to my channel. Since I have you here watching, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see all of my fashion content and all of my fashion reviews and lifestyle videos. So today I am going to be doing another sneaker review. So as some of you guys know, I love to work out, I love to run with my dog, and I'm also doing Orange Theory. It was time for me to buy some new running shoes, and I take buying running shoes very serious. I want a comfortable shoe that's going Henry. I want a comfortable shoe that's going to help me get through my hard workout, get through those horrible hills, and to help me finish my hard run. And I also want something that looks cute, stands out. So yeah, I'm very picky about my running shoes. I've tried a lot. So the only thing, or one thing that I haven't tried is the company called NoBull. So I've been wanting to try them. I've heard a lot of people say good things about them. So I finally pulled the trigger and did it. So I bought some of their Runner Plus, and I think it's like seasonal. They're like a spring shoe, and I'm going to bring them out and show you guys. So it's called their Floral Translucent Runners Plus shoe. Let me bring them out and show them to you guys. These are so cute. They were $200, so kind of expensive, but I couldn't wait to put them on and wear them. So I've already completed a workout in them. I kind of wore them around the house to break them in. And so I did my Orange Theory workout with them, and wow, they felt great on the treadmill, great on the floor when I was doing my floor exercises, and the rower. They're so cute. So I got a size 10. On their website, it says that they run big, so size down. So I got a 9.5, and it just wasn't. My toe was too close. It was too small, so I sent them back and got my normal running size, which is a 10. So I don't know if I agree with sizing down. They're really cute. And they also sent me another pair, they also sent me extra shoelaces that matches the floral pattern. And they kind of have a they are reflective. So, and you can kind of feel like a reflective material. It says NoBull on the side. Inside, it just has, the normal size, and the sole is also floral. But wow, these are super cute. They got me through my workout. I felt great. I felt a lot of cushion and support while running and working out. So overall, I'm very pleased. I can't wait to take these on a run with my dog outside on our we have some hills and trails to run. So I'm excited to try these out. One thing that I am a little concerned about, which not that big of a deal, because like I said, my main thing is that them being comfortable, which they are. I don't know how long this floral print right here will last. So I will update you guys in like a few weeks or months in the comments section to see if this starts to peel off, which I bet it will. So I will update you guys later on that. But overall, I'm very impressed with NoBull. I will be buying from them again. They have training shoes, running shoes, all kinds. And if you want these, you better hurry because they're selling fast. I think the size 10s are already sold out. I will link these shoes in the description box, so click that link if you want to buy them. And that's pretty much all I have on this. One more thing I want to comment about the NoBull shoes. I kind of thought, they look kind of big and bulky. Are they going to weigh my feet down? Do I feel like I have some big shoes on? The answer was no. Although they do seem big, I felt comfortable running in these. And they also have extra holes right here, which I decided to use the extra hole, and you can tie them, and it kind of makes it a little tighter around your foot and supports and holds your foot better. So that kind of solves the problem if you think they're too big and clanky and just too big of a shoe. That really helped, and it kind of conformed to my foot a lot better. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on LTK, Brooks Closet, follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and I will see you guys later. Bye.